Have you ever hit the snooze button 3 times, stubbed your toe, and felt like your entire day was ruined before 8 a.m.? We have all been there. Today, we are diving into the absolute magic of your morning routine. It turns out, how you feel when you first wake up actually decides your entire day. And it's not just a random feeling, it is backed by fascinating neuroscience. We are going to explore exactly how your brain works in those first few hours and give you some brilliant practical tips to set yourself up for an amazing day. Now, let's talk about the science. It's incredibly interesting, and I'm sure you'll agree with me once you hear it. When you first wake up, your brain is highly plastic, meaning it is incredibly adaptable and ready to soak up whatever environment you put it in. If you immediately reach for your phone and read stressful news, your brain pumps out cortisol, the stress hormone. But if you do something positive, you trigger the release of wonderful neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine is your reward chemical. It gives you that incredible feeling of motivation, focus, and drive. Serotonin is your mood stabilizer. It keeps you feeling calm, happy, and confident. By taking control of your morning habits, you are literally rewiring your brain's chemistry. You are training your neural pathways to stay positive and resilient for the rest of the day. So, how do we get those good chemicals flowing? First up, drink a huge glass of water right when you wake up. Do not just reach for the coffee immediately, as that won't hydrate you enough. After sleeping for hours, your brain is naturally dehydrated, which causes brain fog and crankiness. Hydrating instantly jumpstarts your brain function and wakes up your nervous system beautifully. Next, get moving. You don't need a crazy intense workout to see the benefits. Even 5 minutes of stretching or a brisk walk outside is phenomenal. From a neurological perspective, this gets your blood pumping and sends a massive rush of oxygen to your brain, releasing a fantastic natural dose of dopamine and endorphins. Finally, set a positive intention for the day. Take just 1 minute to think about one good thing you want to accomplish or experience. This simple act primes your brain's reticular activating system to actively look for positive opportunities instead of daily stressors. I highly recommend trying a few different habits to find the perfect morning mix that makes you feel completely energized. When you string these amazing mornings together, the long-term benefits are truly life-changing. By consistently starting your day on a high note, you are actively lowering your baseline anxiety, building incredible resilience against stress, and drastically improving your overall mental health. Remember, you have the amazing power to choose how your day unfolds just by changing how it begins. I challenge you to try just one new positive morning habit tomorrow. Drop a comment below to tell me which habit you are going to try and let me know how it makes you feel. Have an absolutely wonderful day.